Kasi po, 'di ba ang main issue po dito, mas malaki ang infrastructure budget kumpara sa education. Kung mamarapatin lang po ninyo ha, if you're at liberty to tell us. So, dito
Hmm.
po ba sa dito ba sa inyo pong meeting with finance, with DBM, with executive secretary at kayo, dito ho ba lalabas na mas mataas ng edukasyon kumpara po sa budget ninyo?
I would not know, Ted. Sorry, hindi ko
Mm.
masasagot yan. But I think we'll leave it to the economic team actually to determine actually anong levels na yung allocations for each department na.
Mm, 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 mm. Opo, pero sa dinami-dami sir ng sekretary ha, kayo naimbitahan doon, hindi pa naimbitahan si Secretary Angara o sino man, kayo ang importante doon sa meeting.
Ay, malaki kasi yung naidagdag yata sa amin, Ted.
Opo. So napag-usapan niyo po Sec kung kung sakasakali ho ba na aalisin tong 288 na dagdag nila, okay lang po kayo?
Well, we'll leave it up to the discretion of the president siguro and the economic team actually to determine up to what level of policy. There are also considerations that, as I said, there may be worthwhile projects that we can continue to implement
Mm.
doon sa naidagdag. There are many actually that I have seen na pwede namang i-implement. But if you remove it completely, then I think there is also this yung pag-ano ng economy of the country because these are the levels that has been projected to support the economic development.